Hi folks, it's Tom here. In this video we are taking a look at Kena Bridge of Spirits running on the PS5 and Sony A80J OLED TV. For me, this is one of the best games available on PS5 right now, and it looks absolutely incredible on OLED, with gorgeous graphics, inky blacks and a rich and vibrant colour palette. We'll also take a look at the graphics settings options that are available for this game. I should point out that all the footage in this video is from early in the game, so there's no real spoilers here. Kena is a fantasy action-adventure game developed by Ember Lab. Whilst this is the first full game they've made, they have worked as an animation studio for many years, so it's no surprise that this game looks so damn good. There are rumours that Ember Lab are a studio that Sony may look to acquire in the near future, so we'll have to see what happens there. I really like the art style of this game. It does feel like playing a Pixar movie. Whilst the graphics are awesome, the soundtrack and sound effects are also top notch. There are a fair number of cutscenes, but these are of the same high standard and never overstay their welcome. Combat is solid and satisfying, but make no mistake, whilst this game might look cute, it poses a challenge in places with some pretty tough boss fights. There's also the usual environmental puzzles that you often see in this type of game. These are generally fun to solve, but won't tax your brain too much. Whilst it would be fair to say that this is a game that offers nothing new, Kena is just a pleasure to play, simply because all elements of this game are so well polished. As far as the graphics options go, you basically have two choices on the PS5. Fidelity mode offers the best graphical detail at native 4K resolution and unlocked 30 FPS. Performance mode is at 60 FPS, with graphics being upscaled to 4K. I suspect that performance mode will be the best option for many people. I really didn't see a big difference in visual fidelity in between the two modes, but 60 FPS just feels so much smoother for combat and game world exploration. All in all, I would highly recommend this game. It looks stunning, it plays well, and the story is solid too. Whilst it's a fairly short playtime, the price does reflect this. You can pick this game up for around £20 on the PlayStation Store. What about you guys? What are your thoughts on this game? Have you played Kena on PS5, or are you planning to pick it up in the near future? Let me know in the comments. That's a wrap for this video. Like and subscribe for more. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.